Newbie mechanic at it again. Oil change on a Vespa GT200. See which tools I used and see which tool I ended up needing to buy.
Go Pam gonna do this.
Vespa maintenance with Go Pam. To start off, I lean the Vespa against the wall so the bike will be upright for the oil change. Otherwise, oil will get all over your center stand. And I also tied a bungee cable around the brake to help secure it. So I'm just going to share my opinion. This slotted oil filter wrench is just utter trash. And the design of the oil filter is to try and remove these damn things. Trash. Poor design. I don't like it. I don't care for it. It was impossible to remove with this slotted oil filter wrench. This slotted oil filter was wedged in so tight, I was having such trouble removing it, so next I moved on to these channel pliers. This thing's impossible to move. So I had to buy a new tool. An oil filter wrench. And for those Vespa oil change videos that make this look easy, or if you're a newbie mechanic like me, here's a real-life look at how hard it is to get a slotted oil filter off that's wedged into your Vespa. And yes, this is way edited down. All the grips and slips, all the struggle.
Oh my god. You got it to move. Oh my god. Come on.
But I wanted to give you a real-life look at how hard this can be.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you got it, girl. Holy come on. There we go. There we go. You're moving now. You're moving. There we go. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. You're coming out. You are coming out. Oh yeah. You are coming out. Oil change. Oh my god. Yes. Yes!
Since I knew my oil filter was so wedged in there, I wanted to try and get it loose before I took off the oil drain nut. And now I'm battling the oil drain nut with the socket wrench.
Come on.
Even the crows are laughing at me. And then I decided to try another angle.
Oh.
Ugh, and then the socket fell into the oil. To quote Galaxy Quest, never give up, never surrender.
Oh my god, that was intense.
It's free! And drain! Grab the oil drain plug O-ring, and hallelujah! That slotted oil filter is off. Look at those battle wounds on that oil filter. Pulling out the oil filter screen. Looks like I could clean this, but I bought a new one. I'm just going to replace it. And since the Vespa's leaning up against the wall upright, I just stood up and I'm pulling it towards myself to drain out more oil. And then I'm just going to lean it back against the wall again. Then you got to wipe down and clean off this area here. This is the old oil filter screen. And here's my new freshie. And I saw that this was a little tricky to put back in there too. I was trying to force it, turn it, trying to get it fitted in, and click, there it gets clicked into place. Apply some oil to the new O-ring for your oil drain plug. The old one's out, new O-ring is in. And there is a lot of controversy about whether to torque this to specs, whether to tighten it by feel. And you know what? I decided to screw it on by hand and then tighten it by feel. I think I'll be fine. I'll keep an eye on it. And I did not want to battle another slotted oil filter, so I replaced it with this new K&N wrench-off oil filter. It comes pre-lubed, but I'm just topping a little more oil on it. And there's some more controversy of whether to torque down these oil filters or tighten them by hand, and I've just decided to tighten it by hand. Got my fully synthetic motorcycle oil. You'll need a short funnel, but you could probably do with a wider one. This took me a while to pour in that little guy. But you're going to pour in the full quart, and it took a little bit more than that, so buy 2 bottles. And you're also going to need to screw in the dipstick the entire way so that you can properly check your oil level. And I hope that you saw that if I can do it, you can do it. Oh, and hey, click like and subscribe to see future mods and adventures of Vroom Go Pam.